Hi everyone, and welcome to ms.craftsalots Lair. First off, if you are new to my station, click subscribe. If you are not new to my channel, you know that I am Barbie and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States of America. Now, that being said, I wanted to get on here and let you guys know about a sale going on September 23rd. It's a Wednesday, 2020. Quite a few, if not, it's not all, but quite a few of the stamp sets are going to be 15% off. And I am talking super fast because I am super excited. So, we have a list of stamp sets that are going to be 15% off. Go to my Facebook for the details onto exactly which stamp sets are going to be on sale, because of the fact that way you can get a hold of me. Send me a message telling me what stamp sets you want. I will get back to you as far as payment options, because if you place your order through me, I am doing a shipping on me promotion, which means that I will pay your shipping if you message me and I am able to put your order in through my website. I am unable to refund shipping costs. So if you go through and you go to this website, I am unable to pay for your shipping, but you still get the 15% off of the stamp sets. So it's the time to buy stamp sets. If there's one that you've been waiting for and you're like, I don't know, now is the time to grab it. I am so excited because a few that I really want are on sale. I will tell you right now that Zany Zebras are on there, and also Way to Goat. I'm telling you those because of the fact that those were the ones I was looking for. I was like, wait a second, are they on sale? They are. Yay! I'm also doing a new Q&A series, so if you have any questions when it comes to the stamping or paper crafting world, comment them and I will be sure to get to them eventually, in the coming days, in the coming weeks, in the coming months. Lots of questions that I want to cover. So, until next time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this project, please like, share, subscribe, and watch more. You can find links to my Stampin' Up! Store, blog, dimensions, and the product list in the description below. Until next time.